Hello, good morning student. Today we will discuss very important and very easy chapter, that is the vector quantity. Vector. So vector. So what do you mean by vector? Before starting vector, we will discuss about the quantity. So what do you mean by the quantity? You will get quantity. So in Oriya, what is the quantity? Quantity means that is parimana. So what is the quantity? Quantity means parimana. So physical quantity. Physical quantity. So physical quantities are, you will get time, mass, and distance. These are the physical quantities. Time measured in second, and second, hour, and minute. Mass measured in gram, kilogram, pound. Distance measured in millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer, etc. These are the physical quantities. Physical quantity means 10 second, for example 10 second, 10 second. 5 kg, here 10 kilometer. These are all are the physical quantities. ଗୋଟେ measurement ଗୋଟେ तार कौन यूज कराउछि 10 किलोमीटर, that represent one of the distance. 5 kg, that is what representation of the weight of the any substance. And 10 second, this represent the second. Okay, time, this is the 10 second represent the time. 5 kg, this represent the weight of the body and mass of the body. And 10 kilometer, that is the distance, representation of the distance. All these measurement you get, all these measurement. For example, this one, 10 kilometer towards east. This is what the first one is, the magnitude. Magnitude means the amount, magnitude. And second one is the east, means direction. East means direction. So the the physical quantities having the both magnitude and direction. Vector is a physical quantities having both magnitude and direction. So magnitude you look at here, 10 kilometer towards east. This is the magnitude, 10 kilometer, and eastward direction. So understood or not? So now get the velocity, force, acceleration, mass, time. Out of these, which are the vector quantity, which are the scalar quantities? Velocity, force, and acceleration. These three are the vector quantities because they have what direction. ये तीनटे direction होची, but mass and time having no direction. एमानकर direction नहीं, only magnitude होची. So these are known as what scalar quantity. So what is the scalar quantity? Scalar quantity means those quantities having what magnitude only magnitude, no direction. तार दिग नथिबो, केवल magnitude थिबो. जेमति 10 kg, 10 kg, 50 kilometer. These are okay, only खाली दिग measurement थिबो, तार direction नथिबो. Okay, understood or not? Now we will discuss different type of vector. A vector can be represented by arrowhead. Suppose A to B, starting from A directing towards B, it representing what? AB. This is the initial point, and this known as what? Terminating point. So you will get, this is the initial point and this is the terminating point. A vector can be represented by AB bar. AB bar means this is the direction. The opposite to this one, BA vector minus BA vector is equal to what? AB vector. Opposite to this, AB वेक्टर जोटा माइनस BA वेक्टर मध्ये सेटा माने AB वेक्टर रो नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन BA वेक्टर रो नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन होची AB वेक्टर. So this is what representation minus representation the negative direction. Okay. So this is the initial point to terminating point. Always the vector representing from initial point to terminating point. AB vector means it is starting from A moving towards what B. This is the direction. Suppose we are writing in this way AB. So this is not a vector quantity, but AB this is the vector quantity. Arrowhead dele it a vector quantity. Arrowhead no dele that represent what scalar quantities. Okay. AB represents scalar quantities. AB arrowhead represent the vector quantities. Now we will discuss about the types of vectors. What are the different types of vector? We will look at types of vector. First one, null vector. So this is the very important one. Null vector means what is the null vector? The points are magnitude equal to 1, magnitude equal to 0. Magnitude is 0. Direction is arbitrary. Arbitrary. And representation 0 bar. So look at what is the null vector. Null vector means there are 3 points I have written here. The magnitude equal to 0 means तार length टा होची 0 up to this mark equal to 0 means no length at all. Second one होची and fourth point size. Represented point size. This is what representation of what null vector. Null vector represent होची just point size. Arbitrary direction. Vector माने तार गोटे direction अछि. So what is the direction of the what null vector? एटा 1 mark रे आसुची. What is the direction of the null vector? Arbitrary. Arbitrary means where you think that is the direction. गोटे point रो what is the direction? The point रो direction जडिया पे जोटा हमें भाबिया that is the direction. You if you think this one, this is the direction. If you think this one, this is the direction. If you think this one, this is the direction. Arbitrary direction means where you think that is the direction. जोटा हमें भाबिया सेटा होची तारो direction. Representation 0 head माने null vector पाए एमती 0 ऊपर एमती बार दिया हो and the point size ताको represent करा हो point size ताको represent करा हो गोटे point size ताको represent करा हो. This is the null vector. About the null vector. So next one we will discuss parallel vectors. Second one, parallel vector. So what are the parallel vectors? If two or more vectors are moving in the same direction, then they are said to be what? Parallel vectors. Moving in the same direction. Same direction. So about this, I am just writing this one. Same direction. So angle between them. So what is the angle between them? The angle between them is angle between them is 0 degree. ए दिटा भितर एंगल दीटा वेक्टर रो जदी सेम डायरेक्शन अछि सेम डायरेक्शन एंगल बिटवीन देम इज 0 degree, then they are said to be what? Parallel vectors. Well, parallel vector जदी हम पचारे what are the parallel vector? The vector having the same direction, angle between them is 0 degree, then they are said to be parallel vector. Third one, anti-parallel vector. Anti-parallel vector. So what is the anti-parallel vector? The vector having the opposite direction. Suppose a vector is moving in this direction, other is moving another direction. Now look at, so here are the point opposite direction. Opposite direction. The angle between them, ए माने भितर angle टा कोन गोटे एपटे जाउची गोटे एपटे जाउची. Angle between them is 180 degree. गोटे एपटे जाउची गोटे एपटे जाउची सो एंगल बिटवीन देम इज व्हाट 180 डिग्री ओके so anti parallel vector what is the angle between the two anti parallel vector that is 180 degree so now we'll discuss the collinear vector what are the collinear vectors collinear vector fourth one collinear vector means if two or more vector lies on a same straight line suppose AB is the one of the vector AB is one of the vector from the ending point on the another vector start BC is the another vector they are having the same direction then AB and BC are said to be collinear vectors so AB जो direction अछि BC same direction रहिले then the vectors are said to be what collinear so what is the points on the collinear vector the first one the direction of AB is equal to direction of BC second point the angle between them is 0 degree or 2 pi okay so here also the angle between them is what 0 degree or 2 pi and the direction of AB is equal to direction of BC then the two vectors are collinear okay so direction jodi same rahla direction mane digo jodi same rahla then the two vectors are said to be what collinear okay so now and fifth one coplanar vector so what is the coplanar planar अर्थ होची गुटे plane ऊपर suppose this is the one of the plane this is the plane ऊपर suppose AB is the one of the vector AB and BC is the second vector BC is the second vector and third vector ABBC and EF. There are three vectors are written here. All the vector lies on the same plane. गोटे same plane ऊपर जदि vector गुड़ाक जदि रहिबो more than one vector, then the vector are said to be what coplanar. So what do you mean by the coplanar? The conditions are more than one vectors lie on a same plane जदि गोटे सेम प्लेन ऊपर जदि मोर देन वन गोटे प्लेन सपोज इट दिस इज द वन ऑफ द प्लेन AB vector BC vector and EF vector there are three vector lies on a same plane गोटे प्लेन रहले then they are said to be coplanar okay so coplanar पे कौन condition what are the condition for the coplanar later we'll discuss so now equal vectors and 6 is the co-initial vector means suppose a vector is starting point this one initial point and the second initial point A B suppose O is the starting point A is the terminating point here O is the starting point B is the another terminating point and here O is the starting point, C is the another terminating point. Here OA vector, OB vector and OC vector are co-initial. So what do you mean by the co-initial vector? Co-initial vector means if more than one vector starting with a same point, starting from a same point or initiated from a same point. गोटे पॉइंट रु जदि मोर देन वन वेक्टर गुडा बाहर से वेक्टर गुडा कोन कहते कोइनिशियल मींस मु लिखुची मोर देन वन वेक्टर start from same point. गोटे पॉइंट रो स्टार्ट हो से गुडा कोन कहते को इनिशियल वेक्टर बोल कहते हियर ओ ए बी सी ओ पी ओ सी आर डी को इनिशियल वेक्टर. ओके, अंडरस्टूड और नॉट? सो नाउ गेट नेक्स्ट वन. Equal vector, unit vector. So what is the unit vector? Unit vector, 8 number, very important. Unit vector. Unit vector means a vector, but a vector their magnitude 1 unit. But a vector, suppose AB is the one of the vector, AB magnitude को represent करा हुआ type represent करा हुआ equal to 1. A vector whose magnitude equal to 1. So the magnitude of a vector is 1 is known as, so what unit vector. Unit vector केमती रिप्रेजेंट कराबो. सपोज आपको रिप्रेजेंट करिया पे सपोज a गोटे वेक्टर अछि, a रो यूनिट वेक्टर कोन a ऊपर एमती कैप दिया, कैप देला होची यूनिट वेक्टर. So unit vector of A equal to A ऊपर in the cap. This represent A cap. This A bar. So A cap equal to A bar by A magnitude. A bar by A magnitude. So understood or not? This one A cap by A bar by A cap. Sorry. A vector by A magnitude. फाइंड आउट करिया पे एटा होची केमते कोन फाइंड आउट कराबो म लिटिल लेटर हम कहबी एटा केमते फाइंड आउट कराबो. सो 9 नंबर. सो व्हाट इज द 9? इक्वल एंड अनइक्वल वेक्टर. इक्वल एंड अनइक्वल वेक्टर. What are the equal and unequal vectors? Let us start. Two vectors are said to be equal if their magnitude are equal. जदि magnitude दीटा equal रहबो दीटा vector रो, then they are said to be what? Equal vectors. Suppose you look at AB is one of the vector AB and CD is another vector CD. So if AB magnitude, AB रो magnitude माने कौन? Length, that is magnitude, is equal to CD magnitude, then they are said to be equal magnitude, equal. But unequal के तल को आवो. Unequal if magnitude of AB is not equal to magnitude of what? BC, CD, then they are said to be unequal. So the two vectors are said to be equal when their magnitudes are equal. Okay, unequal vector, their magnitude is not equal, are not equal. So more about this we will discuss. The addition of the vectors. पूरी एडिशन हबो, पूरी सब्सट्रैक्शन हबो, वेक्टर गुडा के विषय देखिया. Now look at, suppose a vector is starting from A and moving in the direction and B. Here A is the starting point or initial point, B is the what? Terminating point. If another vector is moving in this direction up to C, then A, B, C are in order. A, B, C are in order. That means AB vector and BC vector are in order. Are in order. In order माने अर्थ होची एमती जोटार गोटे स्टार्टिंग माने एंडिंग पॉइंट जोटी अछि आउदे गोटे स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ वेक्टर टा. Then by joining this to this final point to initial point, this is the resultant vector. So resultant vector in this case equal to AB vector plus BC vector. जेतोळे इन ऑर्डर जेतोळे दीटा वेक्टर आसीबो सेतोळे ता रिजल्टेंट टा कोन आसीबो ए वेक्टर एंड बीसी वेक्टर another one suppose a is the one of the vector b is the ab is the vector and another is what ac is the another vector they are what co-initial and their resultant is ab vector minus resultant equal to ab vector minus bc vector resultant equal to ab minus bc vector so when is the what two vector what difference of the two vector the resultant is the difference of the two vector when they are co-initial जेतोळ co-initial vector थिबो एपटरो एपटरो ता resultant आसीबो difference between the two vector आउ जेतोळ कोन करायबो दिले जे वेक्टर कोन आइथिबो इन ऑर्डर थिबो देन resultant equal to ab vector plus bc vector now look so addition of the two vector we have discussed by using this one of the problem I will do for you suppose here it is the rectangle ABCD is the one of the rectangle ABCD is the rectangle then AB vector plus BC vector plus CD vector plus DA vector is equal to what then what value will get you will look at now here the direction of AB is equal to direction of what CD okay but AB vector remember this one direction on the r direction all same roji so BC direction equal to AD direction so you write what AB direction AB is equal to DC but DC टा multiply देले minus CD vector एटी लिखा हो minus CD vector so again you will get so BC vector is equal to BC vector equal to AD vector this one AD vector कहीं आर एपटे डायरेक्शन AD vector so but so BC vector equal to instead of AD you write what DA minus DA vector so now you get so now again you will get in this case AB vector AB instead of AB you put write minus CD vector plus instead of BC vector you write minus what DA vector plus instead of CD you write what CD vector instead of DA you write what DA vector here it will cut then remain equal to 0 vector so sum of the 4 vector equal to what null vector you should not write 0 directly you should not write 0 vector you write okay 0 lagi dele bhul he jibo so sum of AB vector plus BC vector plus CD vector plus DA vector equal to 0 vector in the same sense just I am going to do another problem question is what is the sum of all the vector at the center of a regular octagon so now regular octagon means what octagon means 8 sides first one so now get there are 8 points here octagon by joining you will get what octagon regular octagon means all sides are equal at the center means this is the center suppose A B C D E F G H A B C D E F G H is the regular octagon and O is the center on joining them then we get what OA vector plus OB vector plus OC vector plus OD vector plus OE vector plus OF vector plus OG vector plus OH vector okay so now get here OA vector and OE vector they are opposite to each other OA vector equal to minus OE vector why they are in opposite direction second one OB vector equal to minus OF vector. OC vector equal to minus OG vector and OD vector equal to minus OH vector. So your question is what is the sum of all the vector at the center of a regular octagon. Center ru जो सब जगह vector रो sum होची OA vector. Now OA vector plus OB vector plus OC vector plus OD vector plus OE vector plus OF vector plus OG vector plus OH vector. This is the sum of all the vector from the center. So instead of OA vector you put OE minus OE vector. This is the minus OE vector. Instead of OP vector you put what? Minus OF vector plus minus OC vector. OC vector you put what? Minus OG vector plus instead of OD vector you put minus OH vector plus and remaining part you write OE vector plus OF vector plus OG vector plus OH vector. Yes, sum all will cut, then you get but zero vector again. So your answer is what is the sum of all the vector at the center of regular octagon. Regular octagon. Octagon means what? Ashtabhuja. Regular means sama ashtabhuja. All sides are equal. Okay, at the center. This is the addition of the what? Addition and subtraction of the what vector. Later we will discuss that one very clearly. Okay. So now we will discuss about the midpoint and distance of vector. So now we will discuss displacement of vectors or position vector. Position vector. Position vector. So now look at what is the position vector. Before starting the position vector, here we will get this one x-axis, OX x-axis. This is y-axis. This is z-axis. There are three axes: OX, OY, and OZ. There are three axes. One is x-axis, second is y-axis, and third is what? Z-axis. Along x-axis, the unit vector along x-axis, unit vector is I cap. Along y-axis, the unit vector is j cap. Along z-axis, the unit vector is k cap. So position vector means जेकोसी गोटे पॉइंट दिया है. सपोज दिस इज द पॉइंट यू लुक एट 2 4 5. This is the point given. Here x distance. The first point represented for x, and second point is for y, and third point is for what z. एटा को हमें कौन रिप्रेजेंट करिवा? आर पोजीशन वेक्टर होची सपोज pv ऑफ एटा मानकर पॉइंट टा pv ऑफ p. p माने से पॉइंट टा दैट इज pv ऑफ p माने pv माने पोजीशन वेक्टर. गोटे पॉइंट टा दिए पोजीशन वेक्टर विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू कोन ओरिजिन रे सबले बना. ओरिजिन टा होची 0 0 0. एटा केमति बना हो? पोजीशन ऑफ वेक्टर ऑफ p इक्वल टू कोन लिखा हो? op वेक्टर रे लिखा हो. op वेक्टर ने कोन पे लिखा हला? o to p. एला हम सबले वेक्टर ने पे फाइनल पॉइंट और इनिशियल पॉइंट माइनस कराओ. एटू एटा माइनस कराओ. 2 माइनस 0 i cap कोन पे x एक्सिस रे मूल्य टा प्लस 4 minus 0 j cap plus 5 minus 0 k cap. So you can get what? 2 I cap plus 4 j cap plus 5 k cap. This is the position vector of any point. So what is the position vector? Position vector represent any vector represent with respect to origin is said to be व्हाट पोजीशन वेक्टर ओरिजिन रू विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू ओरिजिन टू जेकोसी वेक्टर को आम रिप्रेजेंट करवा कौन कहब पोजीशन वेक्टर सपोज इट लिखा है आमर पॉइंट हियर x1 y1 z1 q equal to x1 y1 z1 सो pb ऑफ लिखा हो pb ऑफ q डायरेक्ट लिखा है जो कौन है x1 माइनस 0 x1 माइनस 0 i कैप प्लस y1 माइनस 0 y1 माइनस 0 j कैप प्लस z1 माइनस 0 k कैप सो आको आमे सिंपल लिखले आरो 0 माइनस कले कोन xi x1 i कैप प्लस y1 j कैप प्लस z1 k कैप सो दिस इज द वेक्टर एटा होची वेक्टर ता जो कोन कार पोजीशन वेक्टर जे कोनसी पोजीशन वेक्टर फाइंड आउट करिया पे ताको ओरिजिन रो माइनस कर दल देन वी गेट द पोजीशन वेक्टर ओके सो this is the position vector understood or not position vector can be find out kara suppose two vectors are there a vector and b vectors two vector in between the two vector we have to find the midpoint here midpoint equal to a vector plus b vector by 2 so next class we will discuss very clearly about the vector today we will stop okay